How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
PUBG Mobile is the one of the most popular battle royale game available on smartphone. After all, the game is not only engaging but also superior in terms of graphics. While PUBG Mobile remains popular among gamers, the competitor is gaining intense with similar style games gaining attention. Here are the 5 worthy competitors to PUBG Mobile, or we can say alternatives. First is Fortnite. Fortnite is quite similar to PUBG Mobile in terms of gameplay. However, at the same time, it is very quite different. The base structure behind the game is similar to that of PUBG Mobile, where 100 players jump off onto a battlefield to fight it out, and the last player standing is the winner. At the same time, players are also required to build up structures for strategic play. Now second is Call of Duty Mobile. Call of Duty is a game that defines most gamer childhood. It is among one of the first FPS game that is gamer get to play and get hooked on. The game now has over 10 years of legacy in its bag, and that is what it brings to the mobile version with a small twist to it. Just like PUBG Mobile and Fortnite, 100 players jump on to a familiar battlefield with identifiable guns and characters. The graphics are far superior, and the competition does not even come close. Overall, Call of Duty Mobile feels like a much more refined and fine-tuned game when compared to its competitor. Third one is Battleland Royale. Battleland Royale is the third-person battle royale shooter which brings in a larger perspective into a game. It is smaller when compared to the other battle royale games in every way possible. From size to the battlefield, 32 players jump off onto a battlefield to battle it out for 3 to 5 minutes. The game does have a few latency issue and sometimes feel a bit more aggressive compared to the PUBG Mobile. And fourth one is Free Fire. Free Fire is quite similar to a PUBG Mobile, but it does bring freshness to a gameplay. The small intensity of the game makes it fun to play. Free Fire easier to play when compared to the games like PUBG Mobile due to easier recoil correction and saves. Last one is Knives Out. Knives Out is a live action game. 100 players jump off onto a battlefield from a chopper and start fighting the moment they touch the ground. The gameplay is quite similar to PUBG Mobile, but within a few minutes of starting, it gets paced up very fast, and it's so sometimes very difficult to keep a track of. This might be due to smaller maps and higher body count. And these all are 5 PUBG Mobile alternatives you can try. Thank you.